Hi everybody, I'm back for a quick unboxing. You can see I received 2 items today from Foxy Fix, and one of them I was expecting. This one I wasn't expecting. I didn't get a shipping notice for it, so I was a little surprised to see that both of them arrived. So I ordered something that kind of goes with this, or is kind of, it's this size, and then a mystery box item. So let's go with what I ordered first, since I know what it is. So let's open the box up, and let me double check. Good. It's kind of a dreary day, so the lighting isn't very good. So, of course, there's 2 Foxy business cards, so I can give to a friend when they see what lovely I have in here, so they can order one. But this leather, this is Lush, and it is the Black Beauty. Ooh, it smells really nice. It smells like my spice in the pepper, but it's a lot softer and kind of squishier. This is the first Lush leather that I've seen. It's a really pretty leather. So you can see it's very, very flexible. So let's see. Oh, let me grab the leather sample out of there. And it came with, as you can see, one of these page lifter devices. And I have to say, the boxes, I love the boxes. Those are so cute. It says Be Foxy, Foxy Fix. Very cute. Okay, let me set that away. So it came with a page lifter. So you can see it is pocket sized, and I ordered this for fall. It is the spice, and it is the cinnamon, and it is the pocket rings, and you can see it has this wonderful pocket here. Oh, that's so interesting. I find it very interesting. I have a couple Foxys that are the spice leathers that are TNs. Like, here's my beautiful what is this? Thyme? Yes, I think it's thyme. I always want to say sage, but that's wrong. I think it's thyme. But you can see how here, maybe because of the elastics, they have it open, right? Just like, you know, the Giglio and some of those others do. But here, you can see it is closed. And so you have this wonderful pocket where you can put extra papers, you can put cash, you can put all of that stuff. But this is in the cinnamon color, and this is gorgeous. I did have a cinnamon in the passport size, but I ended up selling it to someone that was wanting one, and they were out of stock, and I wasn't using it. And then when I saw that they were coming out with pocket rings and they were going to be in the spice leathers eventually, I went ahead and did it. I bit the bullet and did that. So let's put so the only pocket ring planners I have are the rings are nice. The only pocket rings I have are my, let me get my IDs out. All right. The only pocket rings that I have are my Filofax. This is the Domino Soft in the Fawn, which is a faux leather. And the husband is a vegetarian, and he loves the fact that this is faux leather. Even though he has Midori's and Foxy, that's real leather that he loves and he uses. I think he's a vegetarian, but he doesn't mind an occasional leather good. But if I wouldn't have gotten them, I don't think he would have. He probably would have found a faux leather thing. So let's see. So I ordered this without a pen loop, and I'm kind of now wondering if that was a bad idea. So the first thing I have in here is, this was a Midori zipper pouch that I cut down. And I cut in half so I could put cash in it. And these are just some little paper dividers that I had made. I was learning how to use my silhouette. I have a silhouette portrait that I have been learning how to, I decided I had to learn, oh no, there. I had to learn how to use since I've had it for 2 years and I've never used it. So I've been creating some templates for myself. So if I get bored, I can very easily, let's see, so that's this week. Another thing that we've been doing is we've been on Weight Watchers, and so we haven't really been eating out. So we've been tracking our expenses at the grocery store, and that has been a wonderful thing for us. Let's put these at the back. This is the one that comes with the Filofax, which, you know, with the pockets, I might not need this, but let's put it in anyways. Here's my notes sections. And the last divider. Nice. I think they're about the same size ring. And then there's my Weight Watchers book and a Midori Traveler's dashboard, which I think both of these will fit in here. So what I ordered was, here, let me take that out for now. What I ordered was the cinnamon in the pocket, and then I got both of the card pockets up here. Those fit, you know, ID. I do see some people put like paper clips and stuff in them there. I always keep a writing board with me. And then that stuff there, actually, see, look, it goes in there, perfect. So that was the one that I ordered, and I knew that I did. And this thing is huge. It's going to fit a lot of stuff. And I'm loving my Filofax. This is only the second Filofax that I've ever gotten. The first one was a Saffiano. So we're gonna get those out of the way. So that was the first thing that I had come today. And now let's see what is in here. I still don't know because I can't see. Let me get this out of the way. If this is what I think it is, I was thinking, oh, it would be so cool if they sent me one in the wildflower leather. And I think that that is what this is. I was thinking, I was looking the other day. This is that leather. It is, you know how they have like, what they call the wildflower? Ooh, I got a Foxy in the coconut. I think Amy opened one. I don't think hers was coconut. I think, because this is the coconut, which is like one of those sugar leathers, I think. I think hers is in the salt, in the spice leather in the salt, because this is firmer and has the backing very similar to my blueberry in the sugar leather, my wide one. And so this is like an ID holder. It's very cute, very functional, nice. But I really think this is exactly what I wanted. That is so crazy. It just says golden envelope mystery sale pocket rings. But this looks to be, anyone correct me if I'm wrong, because I had the one in the like amberish color. But let me look at the Foxy ring binder. Or here, wait, let's just go under couture wildflower. That's the easiest way. Yes, this is the wildflower cedar. Yep, this is the cedar leather. Yeah, that's very interesting. I wonder if they're not doing that because of the mechanism back there. It's very interesting. But look how beautiful that is. This is definitely one of those that is, it's a pull-up leather. You know, it looks to be the wildflower, and it's got brown stitching, and it's got brown elastic, a nice dark brown elastic. It's the same elastic. Oh my goodness, that's so gorgeous. And Amy and some people were saying there's like a little notch at the bottom, and that notch is what lets you know that it was a mystery sale item. Because if you look at this one that I just stuffed stuff in, there's that little notch in the bottom isn't there. So non-mystery item, notch means mystery item. But look at that. It smells, let me smell it. Oh, it smells so nice. And it's kind of soft. It feels like the newer Midori leather. You know, it's a pull-up leather. And it's gorgeous. And the rings look great. I mean, they're Kraus rings. They're a German ring. They're a beautiful ring, and they're a nice size. I mean, if I can fit my fat finger in there, you know, that's a fat size. Because my ring is what, 10.5? 10.5? So that's a nice, definitely a nice size. So there you go. I thought I would just share a quick little look at the wonderful little items that I got from my orders. So look at this, beautiful shades of brown. The lightest, kind of an in-between, and then the darkest. And this is the most rustic, because this is the one that will, let's put it in the back. See, it'll scratch like that, but warm thumb. Look at that. Totally rubs it out. Yeah, this will look like a wonderful Indiana Jones thing by the time I'm done with it. So there you go, just a quick little look at my 2 new Foxies that I have to go along with my Filofax. So I will link Foxy Fix down below, so if you have any questions, leave a comment or contact them, because they know so much more than I do about their product. But I definitely think this is that wildflower. And here, wait. I'm going to pull up Foxy Fix real quick while I'm here. I'm going to probably cut out this because I'm just Mr. Rambly. But I'm going to double check to see exactly what leather this is. It's so beautiful. And this looks like my old cinnamon that I had. And I kind of wish I didn't get rid of it, but I'm so glad that it went to a family, that it is being used and cherished and loved. Because that's what we want for our Foxies. We want for them to be cherished and loved. Okay, so I will link that down below. This is the cedar leather, the cedar wildflower. Such a beautiful, beautiful leather. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.